Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 June double arch door today. Alright, so we're back from the montage. Here's our June double arch door. As you can see, it's got some beautiful grapes. It's got these little things that you want to chew on. It's got some leaves on it. Cool door. We used to make this only in single doors. A lot of people used to use it for their wine cellars. On the June door, we use a 2x2 tube. That's how we get these little tiny lines around it with a lot of glass showing. Cool door, no kick plate. You can add a kick plate on it if you like. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the other side. And by the way, these are all solid metals, solid rods that was been bent to all these shapes. These are not hollow. So this has all been banged around, and you know, a blacksmith basically made all this. Heated it and twisted it and made all this stuff. I'm going to show you guys the back end of this. All right, so we're on the back side of the June double arch. Dylan, the guy that's behind the camera right now, aka Larry, asked the question. He's like, is it really made like that? Is it really somebody making this stuff? Yes, the question is yes, and the reason how we get it so perfectly aligned is we draw it on a piece of paper, put it on the floor, we bend it, weld it all together on the floor. Then we take that same template, we flip it over, and then we make the opposite side for the opposite side. That's how we get it identical. Okay, Larry? Get that? Because we're using 2x2 tubes, with these cam locks, it gets a little too close next to each other, so you have to open the door before you can open the glass, because it's so skinny, it hits the other one. This is so you can clean the glass easier, because it'll be a pain to try to clean it around all this stuff while the glass is shut and doesn't operate. Optional screen is definitely available on this. This door definitely comes in a single, full arch, flat top, all the different variances if you like. And you can choose different glass if you like also. Super cool door. I think it's amazing. If you love wine, farming, outdoors, I don't know, just cool door. I love it. I love this door. Hope you guys enjoy this showcase. My name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.